guys, it's me Tasmin and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be giving you my 7 ways on learning a new language fast.
A few moments later.
I'm going to be giving you all my tips, secrets and hacks on how to learn it. So why don't we get to it? Boom. Firstly guys, it is not going to be an easy journey, but if you keep practicing, anything's achievable. Tip number 1, that is to start with the basics. So don't try and learn everything, but narrow it down to the simple words such as hello, bye, how are you, but most importantly, thank you, because that demonstrates your manners. Also set yourself achievable targets. And that is to use mnemonics. This is such a creative and easy way to learn a new language. So for example, the English vowels A, E, I, O, U, I remember it through Auntie Ellie, I and I uniform. You can see that I know it off by heart through the story, but not through the individual words. So practice doing that on different words and comment down below on your favourite mnemonics in that environment of that new language. So watch a movie with the subtitles, listen to music, and that will give you an understanding of how the language is spoken. Also, the flow. Tip number 4, find yourself a study buddy. This is so fun because you can be as creative as you want. Find yourself a study buddy, make flashcards, practice saying it to each other, and you will become a language guru. Revise, because if you don't keep practicing, then it's so likely that you'll forget. And I have always practiced Mandarin, but since I took a break from it, I forgot. But right now I'm just revising it, relearning it, and it is so helpful because all the words are just flashing in my brain. So revise, practice, then you would learn a language for your whole life. That is to use apps. You are currently in the 21st century, so new technology are all around you right now. So take advantage of it, and there are so many that are free. For example, I use Google Translate, Spanish references, and what else? Learn Chinese skills with me. And all those apps are free. So if you are zero budget like me, then use those. So that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed and found these tips useful. Give it a big thumbs up. Also, this week's shout out goes to Harry Is Now Okay, as he has helped me with other videos and is just a super cool guy. So check out his channel. Toodles!